One of the biggest mistakes we see is neglecting air dryers. When your dryer isn't serviced or replaced, moisture gets pushed through the system. That water doesn't just sit in the tanks. It travels into places that were never designed to handle moisture. On automated transmissions, that moisture gets into the solenoids and control circuits. And that's when shifting problems, fault codes, and erratic behavior start showing up. At that point, people think they have a transmission problem when it actually started with the air compressor. Another common issue is waiting too long to service the air dryer. Most drivers don't touch the air dryer until it's clogged, it stops purging correctly, or the truck is already acting up. By then, replacing just the purge valve is usually too late. We see this all the time. Someone replaces the purge valve hoping for a cheap fix, but the dryer is already saturated, contaminated, and internally damaged. At that stage, the entire air dryer assembly needs to be replaced, not patched. Now, here's a part that most people don't understand. You can keep the same air dryer assembly and just service filters, but only if you're replacing those filters every year, not when something goes wrong. Preventive maintenance works only when it's done on schedule, not as a reaction. Once moisture has been pushed through the system long enough, filters alone won't undo the damage. This is why we're seeing compressor jobs stack up. A failing compressor produces contaminated air, overworks the dryer, pushes moisture into solenoids and valves, causes symptoms that look unrelated. By the time the truck comes in, the compressor, dryer, and downstream components are all affected. Here's the key takeaway. Air system problems don't stay isolated, they cascade. What starts as neglected maintenance turns into transmission complaints, air system faults, after treatment issues, expensive avoidable repairs. And most of it could have been prevented with proper service timing. If your truck is cycling the compressor excessively, holding moisture in the tanks, having shifting or air-related faults, or you've only been replacing purge valves, that's a sign the air system needs a full, proper inspection, not another Band-Aid. This is exactly the type of work we see every week.